Hi guys. The last couple of years I was in quite a bit of back pain due to trying to wakeboard. That's a separate story. But over those 2 years I consulted chiropractors, massage therapy, and an acupuncturist. The acupuncturist was able to help quite a bit to alleviate the pains, and obviously through her treatments as well and advice, pretty much pain-free at this point. I was surprised though to find out that she herself had been diagnosed with a cancerous tumor at the end of the year and is currently being treated for it. As a single mother and self-employed, and obviously not being able to work at this point, it is putting a strain on her finances. A friend of hers has set up a fundraiser account via the youcaring.com website. The link is in the description. I already made my donation, but I'm just letting you guys know that any future tech support that I'm getting from you guys, or sticker donations or anything like that, will be going towards that that fundraiser. Feel free to use the link and donate $5 or whatnot yourself as well, if you wish. It would be much appreciated. You can do it anonymously, or obviously leave your name. Any and all contributions are welcome. And like I said, any tech support that you may require from me, you will still get, but like I said, the funds will go towards this fundraiser. Thank you for considering this. Have a good one. Bye-bye.